Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your short hair appear fuller and longer with a super cute high puffy hairstyle like this one. So I'm going to go from short to really puffy with just having short hair. Have you ever wondered, how does the girls with the TWA hair get their hair puffy and looking full and really nice? This tutorial is perfect for adding some volume and length to your hair. So let's get started. So first things first, don't work on wet hair. If you want your hair to be big and puffy, that's the mistake I made. So that's your first step. Don't work on wet hair. I just did this high puff, but it's not big enough. It really does not look puffy. So let me show you what you have to do. I am going to soften my hair with a little bit of water to break up the stiffness from the mousse from the previous hairstyle. If you have not seen that video, you can check that out in the cards above. So start by moisturizing your hair. You can use whatever you want. I am using African Pride moisturizing milk. I will leave everything I use in the description box. Now, I am using hair grease to seal in moisture and then detangle. Let me know in the comments if you prefer using grease or oil to seal. Now that you're finished with the moisturizing process, start by grabbing small sections of hair to braid it or to two-strand twist it. You can, at this point, add more moisture and also seal your hair. If your hair is freshly washed, you can add some volumizing mousse to give it some extra texture and grip. I already have mousse in my hair from the previous style, so I'm going to skip that step. This will help the hair to stay in place all day. Now that your hair is braided up, you can use a silk bonnet or a silk headscarf and sleep on it overnight to proceed to the unraveling process. So basically, stretching the hair is the secret to making your hair look fuller and longer. Okay, so this is what I did to stretch my hair. This is without any heat to preserve your hair. If you learned something new, remember to click the like button and share it with your friends and family. So now that I'm going to be unraveling the hair, one of the mistakes I made was to comb out the hair. So try not to do what I did in this point. Do not comb your hair out like that because you're going to be removing the curls that your hair would have gotten from the braid. So what you want to do right here is use your hands to manipulate your hair enough in order to form the afro, and then you can use whatever you like to help tame your edges. I'm using the jam, and this is not going to give you a hole, but it will tame your hair and leave your hair in place, and also to help with your string to slide up. I'm using a spandex string that I made, and this is a simple thing that you can do with your own, with a shoestring, or you can use a spandex band like I did. So this is what my hair was looking like before, and this is what it's looking like now that my hair is much more puffy. Let me know in the comments what you think about the two. Did you prefer the first one, or did you prefer the puffier look? And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make your short hair appear fuller and longer with a high puffy hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you try this out, don't forget to tag me so I can see your fabulous high puffy hair creation. Remember to like, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe to the channel if you found it useful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fabulous, stay curly, and hair obsessed. Adios.